Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel again. If you're looking for a fast, secure, and feature-packed browser, let me introduce you to Opera. Here's why you should consider making the switch. First up, Opera comes with a built-in ad blocker. Say goodbye to annoying ads and hello to faster browsing. No extensions needed. It also has an inbuilt tracker blocker, protecting your privacy by stopping websites from following you across the web. Need extra security? Opera's free built-in VPN lets you browse privately and access region-locked content. No subscriptions required. The customizable sidebar gives you quick access to apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, and even your Instagram feed, right from your browser. With its sleek design and cross-device sync, Opera ensures a seamless experience whether you're on your PC or phone. First, go ahead and open your web browser. In this case, I'm using Chromium, but the steps will be pretty much the same if you're using other browsers like Firefox or Chrome. If you don't have Chromium installed yet, you can easily download it from the official repositories or via the terminal. Next, let's open a new tab in your browser and go to the official Opera website. Simply type in opera.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the Opera website, navigate to the section where you can download the Linux version of the browser. Look for the Debian.deb package option. Usually, it's available under the Download or Linux section. Click on the download link for the Debian package. After you click the download button, the Debian package will start downloading automatically. You'll notice it in your download manager or in the file location you've set for downloads. Make sure you have a steady and fast internet connection, as downloading packages can sometimes take a bit of time, depending on the package size and your internet speed. Once the download is complete, verify that the package was downloaded properly by checking the download location. You can open the file manager or use the browser's download section to locate the .deb file. To get the best experience while watching this video, I highly recommend using the timeline feature. It allows you to easily jump to specific parts of the video, so you can find the information or sections you're interested in without having to watch everything from the beginning. Whether you're looking for a specific topic or just want to navigate more efficiently, the timeline will make your viewing experience much smoother and more enjoyable. So, make sure to use it for a better video experience. Enjoy! To begin, let's open the terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+Alt+T on your keyboard, or you can simply search for terminal in the search bar and open it from there. Once the terminal is open, you'll need to navigate to the folder where your Debian package was downloaded. In most cases, that'll be the downloads folder. Type the following command and press enter. cd-downloads. Now that you're in the right directory, it's time to install the Debian package. Type the following command and hit enter. sudo apt install /package_name greater than .deb. Make sure to replace ~package_name greater than with the actual name of your Debian package. This will begin the installation process. When you're installing packages, whether it's for software or updates, a stable internet connection is absolutely crucial. If your connection is weak or unstable, the installation can fail, take longer than expected, or even result in incomplete downloads. So, here's what I recommend. Make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi or Ethernet network before starting the process. If you're on Wi-Fi, try to be as close to the router as possible, and avoid heavy internet usage on other devices during installation. Remember, installing packages can take some time, and if your internet is unstable, the process could be interrupted, causing delays or errors. So, before you start installing, just make sure everything's good on your end. A strong, stable connection will save you time and headaches. Want to set up OnlyOffice on your system? I've got you covered with a clear and easy to follow installation guide. Make sure you check out my full video on installing OnlyOffice, where I'll walk you through each step with a simple, clear vision to get you up and running in no time. Congratulations, you've successfully installed the Opera web browser on your Ubuntu system. Now that it's all set up, it's time to enjoy a fast and secure browsing experience. You can start surfing the web, accessing your favorite websites, and exploring all the great features Opera has to offer. From built-in VPN support to a sleek user interface, Opera makes browsing easy and efficient. So go ahead, explore, and make the most of it. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips and tutorials. Happy surfing!